Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials: valid ID, bank or mobile money, and a working phone. Next, create your Jumia shopper account if you don't have one, then immediately access the Jumia affiliate registration and complete the form with accurate business details. Once done, review the commission rates, cookie duration, and minimum payout so you know what drives earnings and when you will receive funds. Make sure to save credentials and enable two-factor auth to protect your affiliate dashboard and links. Now you implement tracking and create links. First, place the affiliate pixel or tracking snippet on your site and verify it with a test conversion. Accurate tracking is why you get paid. Then generate product, category, or custom campaign links inside the affiliate dashboard and apply UTM parameters or unique ID so you can attribute traffic by channel. Once done, shorten links for cleaner placement in content and social posts, and test each shortened link to confirm the pixel records clicks and conversions reliably. You're ready to launch and optimize. Place links across blog posts, emails, social, and paid ads, and rotate creatives and best-selling products to avoid fatigue. Once live, monitor CTR, conversion rate, and earnings per click. Scale channels that perform and pause ones that do not. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Clear cache, re-verify the pixel, confirm UTM and affiliate ID on the link. Then contact affiliate support with click and transaction ID. This sequence keeps revenue steady and solves most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.